Okay, is it rolling?
Yeah.
We can put this on our gingerbread man.
We can.
Okay, Tyrell's gonna do the cinnamon challenge.
Here we go, the cinnamon. That's a lot.
Oh my god.
Okay.
It stinks. Here, let me move.
Here, get right here in the, open the shower. Open the shower.
This is not gonna go well.
Jump on it. Jump on in it, buddy.
Try to swallow it.
In the shower, in the shower. No!
I can't breathe. That was so bad, I can't breathe.
You have to spit it out. Spit it out. That's so good.
It's stuck everywhere.
Wait, look at me. Smile.
Oh, that was awful.
Okay.
Look at this.
Yeah, that's so funny.
We can't see your teeth.
Oh.
Does it hurt?
I just can't, like, it doesn't hurt. It's just, like, stuck. Like, you can't breathe.
Is it dry?
No, it didn't get in my eye. I told you I can't breathe.
No, is it dry?
Yeah, hell yeah, it's dry.
Okay. Thank you, Gabe.